for the petitioner, my lords.
Yes.
Before I address my
Ah.
submission, my lords, there's a caveat that this honorable, I have challenged the inquiry, initiation of inquiry and the charge memo,
Ah.
which was rejected. This court had not given me an interim order.
Yes.
The inquiry proceeded, my lords. I don't have instructions on what the
Inquiry
inquiry.
is completed. Government order has also been received. I have asked for copy of the government order, whether it is exoneration or penalty. I will get that information, but that should have it next week if it is not. Because
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಮಧ್ಯಂತರಿಸಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ.
Okay. Call
It comes in sealed cover.
next week.
Great.
Next week.
Thursday, next Thursday,
Next Thursday. Thursday ರಜೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Friday, sorry.
Next week.
Much okay.
Yes. ಏನಿದೆ?
But they have challenged they have sought equivalence in respect of the qualifications they possess with the qualification prescribed for recruitment to the post of graduate primary school teachers. The tribunal, relying on an earlier decision, has rejected the applications.
Power to grant equivalencies with whom?
Equivalent, they want the subject which they have studied to be treated as equivalent to the
No, that decision to be taken, Supreme Court
By the-
said what?
by the government.
By government itself,
There should be a notification, my lord, as per the
for equivalence notification.
please, equivalence notification.
ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನೋ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್.
And for the second respondent, my
Ah.
request, my lord, matter may kindly be taken up on Monday, my lord.
You are not prepared now.
Engage the services. of the-
Monday, I know issue madam, Monday and the date kotre, but there is one more matter madam connected to this writ petition,
ಮಂಡೇ ಸಿಟಿ ಇದು ಮಂಡೇ ಬರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ.
Tuesday.
ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ,
ಅಲ್ಲ, Friday ಬೇಡ.
ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ, ಮಂಡೇ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್.
Please.
Madam, writ petition number
ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್.
4805 of 25.
ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Paper ಕೊಡಿ
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ. ಹಾ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆ ಎನ್ ಪುಟ್ಟೇಗೌಡ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಟೇಗೌಡರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಪುಟ್ಟೇಗೌಡರ ಪರವಾಗಿ BBMP-ನ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರದ್ದು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ. ಸಿಂಚನ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಪುಟ್ಟೇಗೌಡ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಂಚನ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್. Call next week. Week after next. To enable counsel for the petitioner to come and argue. Yes.
My lord, in this,
Yes.
in this draft notification was published, my lord. And objections was called for, objections was looking into, my lord, kindly have it, 4 weeks time may be granted, my lord. Because some amendment was sought, in that amendment is under the process of with the finance department, my lord.
No, no. Yes, Mr.
My
Diva.
case is not on that premises, madam. My case is that since 2002 till date, 6 notifications were called for the post of lecturer sculptor in Chamarajendra Kava Institute at Mysore. No recruitment has been done. I am the only scheduled caste PhD holder in the entire state. Kindly peruse, my lord, order page 17. Page 16, page 17, KAT order. Para 2, my lord. Shall I read, my lord? Page 16.
Page 16.
16, para 2, my lord. The applicant has sought for a writ of mandamus directing respondent 1 to 3 to fill up backlog posts of lecture in respondent number 4 college by notifying and making selection for the post on the ground that the applicant has previously filed.
ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
My lord,
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
draft-
ಬಾರ್ ಹಾಕೋತ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
C&R draft to produce, draft ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, draft ಮಾಡಿ finalization ಗಿದೆ. Objections was called for. We have received 33 objections, my lord. Objections are under process because some mistake was happened and one in respect of 1-3 ಬದಲಾಗಿ 2-3 ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು 3 weeks, 4 weeks time may be granted, my lord. In the meanwhile,
ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಫೈನಲೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ?
4 weeks time may be granted, my lord.
Nothing
Date
to
may
do
be
with-
fixed, my lord.
nothing to
Within
do
that,
with
we
the-
They want to.
No,
within
that is
within
nothing
that
to do
we'll
with the subject
finalize, my
matter
lord.
of this petition.
Huh?
That is nothing to do with subject matter of this petition.
ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ನಿಮ್ದು?
So, my lord, my prayer is,
Yes.
I will read that entire paragraph.
Okay.
Page 16. The backlog post on the assurance given by respondent number, that is Principal Secretary, Kannada and Culture Information Department, the said previous application was withdrawn. However, even till today, no action is taken to see that the posts are filled up, which action is illegal, arbitrary and unwarranted. It is further contended that the respondents had called all 6 recruitment notifications previously on 3/1/2000, 4/12/2002.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಲಾಗ್ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ.
Backlog, my lord, till 25 years, this SC post has not been filled. 20 since 2001, on one pretext or another. In the meanwhile, it is that they are taking the help of KPSC.
Where is our judgment that myself and Justice Varale Saab's judgment? Where is that judgment?
This is the letter communication which I have received, my lord.
ವೈ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಯಾವ SC ST ಗೂ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ಹಾ.
C&R rules.
ಯಾ
finalize
ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಮಾಡಿ-
Come to page 70.
Yes, my lord.
3/1/2000, 4/12/2002, 9/12/2002, 3/12/2012, 35/2013, 19/6/2014 ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅಷ್ಟು ಏಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ನೀವು ಬಹಳ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್?
ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ C&R rules finalize
ವೈ
ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? Why this matter did not go to the backward commission?
No, it went, even the cabinet committee, subcommittee headed by the social welfare minister passed a resolution to appoint these people.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಕೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
My lord, there are 3 vacancies for in the Department of
ಟೋಟಲ್
Structure.
ವೇಕೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
Total vacancies, my lord. My lord, page 39.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್? Why you cancel these notifications?
C&R final ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Since how long?
My lord,
2000.
kindly grant me 3 weeks time, my lord. We'll come with the finalization of C&R rules, my lord.
Old C&R.
C&R rules. When C&R rules is finalized, the entire problem will be resolved, my lord.
Brother, what Supreme Court said, for appointment, there need not be C&R rules at all. Especially for these kinds of appointments. Why? Why 15 ವರ್ಷ?
20 ವರ್ಷನೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
20 ವರ್ಷ.
20 ವರ್ಷನೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
20 ವರ್ಷನೇ ಆಗಿದೆ.
20 ವರ್ಷನೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಹೌದು. ಯಾಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ? 25 ವರ್ಷ, 20 ಅಲ್ಲ.
25 ವರ್ಷ.
25 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು appointment ಆಗಿ.
2020ರಿಂದ.
ಯಾಕೆ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಿಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಖಾಲಿ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಯಾರು?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು
C&R ಅದ್ ಬರೋಣಂತೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
C&R
ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು? ನೀವು ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೇವಿ, ಪಿರಿಯಾಡಿಕಲಿ ವೇಕನ್ಸಿಗಳನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಿ.
ಹೌದು.
ಯಾವ್ದದು ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ.
No, my lord,
ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
annexure R9.
Answer our question. Where is judgment of Honorable Justice Varale and myself and Vijay Kumar Patil, two judgments on this. Where is the upgrading of ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾರ ಒಂದ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಗೇವ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್.
Where is your secretary? Manjula N.
She undertook that she will be doing everything. That was in December.
4/12/2020, she has undertaken that within a month, you get that C and rules approved.
Yes, my lord. C and all rule draft was final.
But in the order sheet.
Yes, my lord. Draft was finalized, my lord. Draft was furnished. Draft was, objections was called for, my lord. Mandatory period is there. Objections was
ಏನೋ
called for.
ಗಿಮಿಕ್ ಇರಂಗ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಡನ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Your Lordship, division bench judgment with Justice Varale.
ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದೊಂದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಂದು ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಪಿರಿಯಾಡಿಕಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೇವ್ ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಜನರು ಏಜ್ ಬಾರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
My lord,
ನಿಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮೊದ್ಲು ಹಂಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅದನ್ನ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್.
my lord,
ಟೈಮ್ ಬಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
my lord, in R9 dated 16/2/2015, in objection statement, they have furnished a document in which the meeting headed by the social welfare minister has directed me to appoint for my appointment.
ಎರಡು ಕಾಪೀಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 ವಾರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೇವೆ ಕೇಸನ್ನ. Strange to us that petition response dismissal of the petition, despite its time taken by favorable to the petition. Government being constitutional control is expected to conduct itself as a science. The government should put choice on the citizenship.